How to view the satellite mode on Google Maps. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily view the satellite view on Google Maps. So as you might have noticed, currently it's on normal or regular view. So to change it as an satellite view, all you have to do is just tap on this two circle icon right at the top right corner, right below the cross icon, and once inside here you should see the option that is map type. So you can basically change it between default or satellite or terrain. So since you want satellite, just tap on the satellite button over here, and just like that you should be able to view the satellite mode of that particular map on your Google Maps. So you can even zoom in a little bit and just view it in a 3D mode just like this by simply scrolling down at the simultaneously at the same center or same location just like this. And if you ever want to switch back to the default mode, you can just tap on this two circle, and if you ever want to switch back to the same view that is default view, you can just tap on this double square icon and once again and just choose to default. So that's how we do it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.